Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect the leads you capture in DocsBot directly into Salesforce using Zapier to connect it all. So, first things first, easy, create a Zap right here, press create a new Zap, and we're going to go ahead and search up DocsBot for this trigger here, right there. So there's our trigger, and choose an event. It's a webhook event. Very simple. So you're going to need to log onto your DocsBot account right here and choose your bot. I have mine right here already set up, so you can go ahead and do that. And then we'll click continue. And the event we need to choose is lead created. And continue. So we'll test the trigger very quickly. And we're going to go ahead and just click one of these templates here. These are just to test it out, so don't worry about it too much. And we're going to connect it directly into Salesforce. You do need Zapier Premium to be able to use this feature, by the way. Next up, we're going to need to choose an event. So we are going to choose create lead. Very simple. Click on that. We're going to need to log on to our Salesforce account right here. I'm already logged in. So we're going to go ahead and click continue again. So now, whatever fields that we have in our lead collection form in DocsBot right here, which is in widget, actions, form fields, whatever form fields we have here right now is what we're going to input into Zapier. So for last name, I'm going to go ahead and click the add button right here, plus button, next to last name, and choose last name from this list, which I have it right here. Click that. First name, we're going to go ahead and choose first name right here. Press add. And company is required. We need to have company in our form field to be able to use Salesforce. As you can see, it says required. So company name we have at the bottom right here. Click that. And last thing is we need the email because that's in our form. So we have email right here. Click that. And we should be all good to go. Those are all the things we have in our form. We don't need to worry about this extra stuff. It's optional if you want to have it. And press continue. And we're going to go ahead and skip the test here because there's no data inside here. It wouldn't work. So let's just go ahead and skip it really quickly. So we skipped it and we're going to go ahead and publish it. It should be working right now. So it is now live. So now we need to go inside of our DocsBot and we're going to go ahead and create a new lead just to test it out. You know, it should already be working. So we're going to go to configure here and instructions. And here we have easy access to talk to our bot. So we can type anything and it should give us our lead form. So I'm just going to type hello. And there we go. It gives us the form. So we're going to go ahead and fill out a form just to test it out. And so let's go with DocsBot Jones. And then we'll just do a test email very quickly. Company name, DocsBot AI. Okay, so this is just to test it out really quickly. Hit continue, and that should submit your lead. And it should have gone through the pipeline, through your Zap, and it should be directly in your Salesforce. So we're going to go ahead and click on our Salesforce right here. Here's our dashboard. It's not here right now, but I'm going to refresh. And at the bottom here, you can see DocsBot Jones. I can click on him. I can see exactly everything I need to see. I can see his phone number. I can see his email right here. And I'm able to do anything within Salesforce with it. So this is a super handy tool that we're launching for this DocsBot week. And I hope you guys can make great use of it and connect all your platforms together.